DJ NTV.
Welcome to TJMTV Daily News Update, your one-stop channel for everything news and gist happening all over the world. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time this video got to you. And if this is your first time of seeing any of our videos, please don't forget to go a step further, like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be one of the first persons to know whenever we drop a new video. Now let's take you straight up to the main news.
E be like say we go soon comot our hand for negotiation to release Nnamdi Kanu because IPOB dem no wan stop dis sit-at-home order. Dis one na wetin Mazulike Amechi talk. Dis na still DJMTV Daily News Update. Yes, as Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, dey appear for court to defend himself against the charges wey be like the federal government of Nigeria don level against am, and the new charges wey dem don add before na 7-count charges, now the thing don increase to about 15-count charges. Mazulike Amechi, wey be the First Republic aviation ministers and part of those wey be like say dem go meet President Muhammadu Buhari to tell her say abeg make he release their son Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to them, and say dem go talk to am to reduce some of the things wey be like say im dey do. Don come outside come complain say the way some of the leaders for the indigenous people of Biafra dey go about this whole thing, e no just dey happy at all. Im dey lead the negotiation team, na wetin he talk for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Say but some kind things wey be like say these people for inside the indigenous people of Biafra dey talk with their mouth, and this issue of sit at home no go anywhere, and then you call it see, even though self the IPOB they say not be them they order the sit at home, not be them they enforce the sit at home. Say but all these issues they come together, they make the negotiation table, they tire them to sit down. Say at the thing be like so you know even they happy at all, and very soon they go just come out their hand pata for this negotiation matter. Make only the people for IPOB come negotiate with government on how they go take release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Ogbongelicious Oga will be part of the Igbo great leaders don talk say he don discuss with Presido, and Presido even give am permission to go see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for inside detention facility of the DSS. Say he go, he see am, two of them talk. Say but this sit-at-home order, e dey scatter many things for inside the economy for the southeast, and not be just the economy thing dey scatter o. Say the thing now don dey scatter the negotiation wey dem dey make with Oga Presido on how they go fit release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu comot for detention facility. He say in fact when he go discuss with Oga Presido, say their discussion was very good and friendly o. Say but the sit-at-home wey dem dey dish out here and there, and they even dey enforce am because they even dey use force. Many things dey happen for inside Enugu, for Onitsha most recently. Say it dey very embarrassing. He no know who be those people wey dey enforce this thing, but he wan tell them say he no like wetin he dey see. You still dey until DJMTV Daily News Update, your ogbonge channel wey dey give you correct gist as they take dey share inside Nigeria. If you just join us, thank you very much. Abeg make you no forget to like this video, share this video, and of course subscribe to our channel. So as we dey talk, Oga Mazulike Amechi don talk say e be like say im go soon comot hand for inside the negotiation for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Like wetin dey talk, he say he don contact the lawyers of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, wey be the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, and he say in a day they don tell them say make dem stop the Monday to Thursday sit-at-home wey be like say the indigenous people of Biafra they give the order. The sit-at-home wey they order, they talk and say this one na in solidarity as their leader they appear for court between 18th to 19th of January 2022. They want everybody there, everybody sit down, they watch as the case they go. May nobody come outside, area dry, street dry. Observation wey we even get for the area be safe for southeast, everywhere dry kpakparapa. People hardly come outside, some people dey fear. The few ones wey even come outside, wey gather mind come outside sef. Not be small thing na dey do them o. On top on Tuesday wey be the 18th of January 2022, be like say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu first appear for court inside this ogbonge new year 2022, and he say he never understand wetin dey happen. Say because IPOB say they not give statement to say make people sit down house, but yet people they go about say they be members of the indigenous people of Biafra. they enforce the sit-at-home. Say, as a matter of fact, may the leaders of the indigenous people of Biafra, may they come together, may they take necessary actions to stop this sit-at-home order so that the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu go dey very difficult. Say, if they not do this one, he go just comot him hand kpata for the matter. Say, because go fit dey go talk to Oga Buhari, may they comot Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for for detention facility, and why some people will just they sabotage their effort. We say go gree for this one. Say, if the indigenous people of Biafra they not fit put their house in order to stop this sit-at-home order, very soon he go remove his hand comot from the negotiation table, because according to am, as he dey so he no get time, he not ready to soil his name on top of anybody case for inside obodo Naija. We still there together here for DJM TV Daily News Update. Here we dey give you the latest and best gist wey dey come out for obodo Naija and all over the world. If you just join us, thank you. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and of course subscribe to this channel. Now, many people don't come outside to say they never still understand what they go on. First of all, the publicity secretary of the indigenous people of Biafra been come out say in solidarity as a leader they go court 4 days sit-at-home go day beginning from Monday to Thursday, will be the 20th of January 2022. Say, but now Mazuluke Amechi they come outside to say IPOB people they say not be them give the order. Now you don't even understand what did they happen. A lot of people don't complain, say on the 18th of January 2022, say not be small thing they do, people will come outside, say for Onitsha. As a matter of fact, they attack some churches, people like say the whole mass that money. Say not be wisdom, people like say the Reverend Father use that money, maybe what if happen for that church, nobody for fear explain the matter. Say people where they see for road, where they go 1 or 2 places, and so they beat, they drive, they go back inside their house. And if all the activities were supposed to take place on those days, they grant all the activities, say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu they go court, make everybody see that. If our bank not open, filling station not open, many transport companies they say I beg go, they not do for problem. Now many people they say, as Mazuluke Amechi and the other leaders of Igbo greats, they go talk to Oga Presido, say Oga Presido, make we apply political solution for this matter. Make we talk am. More do the tete-a-tete with our mouth. Make we forget court matter. People don't say the indigenous people of Biafra, they're supposed to relax small. Make they allow these Igbo great people go talk to Oga Presido. And say from the look of things, the team be done they make headway before, because according to Oga Mazuluke Amechi, he say Oga Presido don't even give him go ahead to go to see Oga Nnamdi Kanu for inside detention facility when in dey. Say, but you no understand why the IPOB say they go ahead with that their sit-at-home order. Say sit-at-home order, it dey spoil things for inside the southeast. It dey grant the economy. The children when they go school now, they affect their education. As a matter of fact, Mondays now school no dey dey again for southeast, and then 4 days again don't join. The whole thing like this, so it not dey too good. It no dey favor many people for the southeast, and some people don't they cry at since say, I beg, you go dey good, say okay fine, make it be na only when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu they go court, and they do this sit-at-home in solidarity. Make it not be every morning. Say the thing they spoil business. But I don't always say they go outside every day. They must go find daily bread before they go fit chop. Now I'm saying the days when the way be sit-at-home, they not go so. I better hungry go beat them and their family. While others don't tell people say, you go just say make you obey, that may you suffer the consequences of not obeying. Say if you hear say they say sit down house, you sit down house. While others don't advise Oga Mazuluke Amechi, say I beg, no comot your hand for this matter, because we dey look up to us, our leaders, to help us talk to the government of Nigeria. Make they release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This one go ease, the hot temper wey dey for the southeast. It go make everybody temper calm down. It go come bring peace and stability. And they just tell us, say, I beg, Oga, use your good office to talk to the political parties then. May they pick somebody from southeast as their presidential candidate. All this one put together will make the tension for the area calm down. And it will make sure say southeast. In fact, you say that agitation, say, we no go agree, we won't come out. They say that agitation will calm down. If somebody from that region might come out as Presido come 2023. This is still DJM TV Daily News Update. We stay here together with you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So my Ogbongelicious person, you don't hear the matter will bring call. Mbazilike Amechi say he go comot hand for the negotiation table if IPOB no stop this their sit at home matter. My country person, you chook mouth put for the matter. May you tell us what you think for inside the comment section.
Welcome back. Thank you so much for staying with us till the end of this video. But before we go, we just want to let you know that we're also on Facebook and on Instagram at DJMTV. Also check out our website at www.djmtv.news. There we drop news 247 non-stop. Do not forget that you could also place your advert with us here on DJMTV News and be rest assured that your business will get to the desired market. Well, so we'll come your way again with another edition of DJMTV Daily News Update. I remain your host, Laura Favor.
Yeah.
DJMTV. DJMTV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJMTV.
DJMTV. DJMTV. DJMTV. DJMTV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJMTV. 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 DJMTV.